I'm hoping to relieve some confusion about uncodified laws. Now, sometimes we hear around the California state capitol codified versus uncodified laws. Is there a difference? Well, essentially, codified laws are those that are contained in the codes of the state of California. There are 29 of these codes. They begin with the Business and Professions Code and they end with the Welfare and Institutions Code, with, of course, 27 other codes in between. So, codified laws are those that are essentially permanent in nature, but most importantly, they are placed in the codes. As a general rule, uncodified laws are those that originate from the common law or general customs and practices. They're not being viewed as permanent in nature and are usually of a specific rather than a general nature. Nonetheless, codified or uncodified statutes are statutes, the same thing. There are laws that are enacted that are not placed in one of those codes, and therefore they're not codified. They remain, of course, uncodified. Probably the biggest example of an uncodified law is, of course, the annual state budget bill. Now, whether codified or uncodified, both are written laws that were passed by the legislature and signed into law by the governor. It's obviously more easy to find codified laws because you can look online in the 29 codes. Uncodified laws are sometimes a little bit more difficult to locate. For example, you may have to review the California statutes and amendments to the code in order to find uncodified laws from a particular legislative session.